Hey, it's Michael from Corona POS here today to talk about QR codes. We've actually talked a bit about QR code marketing in the past, but today we wanted to give you a more up-to-date look at how businesses are leveraging QR codes and improving both their operations and customer experience. As you are probably well aware, QR codes have seen quite the renaissance over the past few years, but it's more recently had an even bigger impact on QSR, retail, and restaurant businesses. Following the reopening of retail and restaurant operations across the country, business owners were still eager to provide the safest possible environment for their customers. Eliminating physical menus was one of the most popular ways of doing so, replacing them instead with digital menus accessible by a simple QR code scan. But there are actually many other great uses of QR codes worth considering too. So if your business has a menu and hasn't yet adopted QR codes in any aspect of your business, use this simple guide to get started. Doing so will improve your customer experience and bring your business more sales. First, what is a QR code exactly anyway? Invented by a Japanese car manufacturer in 1994, QR codes, which stand for quick response, are used to hold scannable information. Much like a barcode, a QR code can be scanned to release information about a product or service. But unlike a barcode, QR codes can contain a relative wealth of information. Barcodes are composed of a combination of lines and a set of numbers below them. QR codes, on the other hand, are composed of a combination of boxes. The number of possible combinations is much greater than those for barcodes, allowing the user to add a much greater amount of information. They can also be read in multiple directions, allowing even more versatility. Typically, a user will use a smartphone camera to instantly read the QR code. The camera will read a combination of different factors and then automatically pull up the information in an app or browser on the phone. Though there are several different types of QR codes, the standard version has 7 unique parts. Each of these parts conveys specific information. First, position markings are placed on the corners of each code to show the scanner which direction the code should be read. Alignment markings help straighten the information of the code when it's placed on curved surfaces. The timing pattern uses black and white lines and blocks to help the scanner determine the constraints of the data and breaks the code into various sections. Version markings show the code which one is being used. There are over 40 different types of QR codes. Formatting information helps the scanner read the code more easily and helps prevent it from reading information incorrectly. Error correction blocks help scanners read the code even if up to 30% of the physical image has been destroyed or tainted. And finally, the quiet zone. This blank space allows the scanner to differentiate between different aspects of the code and read the information more clearly. While understanding a bit on how QR codes work might be mildly interesting, it's probably not why you came here. So let's get into the different types of QR codes that businesses can use. And it's important to start with a big distinction between static and dynamic codes. This difference can be important for businesses using QR codes for multiple purposes, though dynamic codes are typically preferred for non-personal use. A static code contains information that can't be altered once the code is created. They do not allow metric tracking or any edits down the road. Still, there are some great uses for static QR codes, such as creating employee IDs, offering plain text information, allowing customers to access Wi-Fi credentials, passing along digital payment information through Bitcoin, PayPal, Venmo, or any other electronic payment, or linking to an email for customer service or other contact. Dynamic codes, on the other hand, allow users to update information, change the type of code they're using, and track behavior while using the code. And while a static code can contain a significant amount of information, a dynamic code can contain a redirected short URL. Adding a UTM code to that URL allows you to track how successful any QR code campaign actually is. Use dynamic codes for app downloads, coupon offers, digital menus, social media accounts, or a Google Maps business page, to name a few. But what else can businesses use QR codes for? Let's dive in further to a few of the items we just mentioned and also discuss a few additional options. First are menus. This one is one of the most important. These can be placed around the POS checkout area, at tables, near the front door, on receipts, on physical flyers, or at any stores that you partner with. This allows your customers to access the menu conveniently and quickly, and if using a dynamic code, allows you to make adjustments as your menu or pricing changes. You can always keep a few physical menus on hand in case you have a shopper that doesn't have a smartphone, but advertising a digital menu is a great way to keep interactions more contactless. Waitlist management is another popular use for QR codes. Whether you have a restaurant, jazz bar, museum, water park, or any other type of business that might have a wait, QR codes can be used to allow guests to check in and get in a virtual line. Configured correctly, the system will also notify the guest when it's their turn to enter, creating a more seamless experience and taking some of the burden off of your employees. Businesses can also attach QR codes to receipts with coupons that can be redeemed upon returning to your store. These can be used to reward loyal customers and turn new customers into repeat shoppers. Businesses can create any promotion through the back end of their POS system. The promotion will be automatically reflected as the transaction is rung up and in the reporting and metrics down the road. Additionally, QR codes can be used for payment. Many small businesses will accept payment by PayPal, Venmo, or other forms of electronic payment. To add convenience to this process, they can add a copy of their payment QR codes to the checkout area through which customers can quickly scan and pay. Another popular way to take advantage of QR codes is for seamless app download. It's easier than ever to create a custom app, and even single location coffee shops and liquor stores now use their own proprietary apps. In order to drive more engagement among your shoppers, add QR codes around your store that can be used to automatically download your app. This will make it easier for your shoppers and highlight the benefits of using your business's app. Finally, link your social media accounts to QR codes. This will drive more loyalty and increase your branding strategies. You can incentivize likes and follows by offering coupons or free items and make it easy at the same time. There are a lot of ways that businesses can take advantage of QR codes, and none of it is hard or expensive to implement. Just make sure you have a POS system that can print, track, and allow redemption of QR codes. To learn more about Corona POS and how we can help, click the link in the description to set up a free trial. We'll walk you through the steps of setting up our QR code features so you can get started right away. Thanks for watching.